tell me about secured finance. What does it do? A quick overview.
Sure. Secured finance is a peer-to-peer lending market and a stablecoin protocol. We are building on large-scale financial infrastructure on Filecoin ecosystem. And so we're happy to provide a lending and a fixed yield and a stablecoin.
That's amazing. Sounds like you're in the perfect place with the partnership with Filecoin.
Yeah.
The next question would be, what's your key 2024 highlights? Tell me about your year. How has it been? Highlights of the year, 2024.
2024.
Yes.
Oh, definitely the highlight is our Filecoin bond market launch in this year. And we started a Filecoin lending market. We have a 3 months and 6 months of maturity. And we launched the first ever Filecoin-backed, Filecoin-denominated bond market. And then we launched Filecoin-backed stablecoin testnet. So we just launched testnet. So we're super happy to grow and then aiming to launch mainnet next year.
That's awesome. I love the momentum. And so continuing on that line, tell me about next year, 2025. What does it look like? Give me some alpha for the next year.
Yeah, so 2025 is very important year for us. So we're going to launch our Filecoin-backed stablecoin in the next quarter, Q1 2025. And then we build a Filecoin-backed stablecoin, which is USDFC. So USDFC-based fixed income market so that a lot of people can put Filecoin or IFIL as a collateral and then start lending and borrowing USDFC in our fixed income market. So the next year will be stablecoin launch and a fixed income market on stablecoin.
That makes me super excited. Okay, so one final question. Talk to me about India. How do you like the builders here? Is it your first time here? Have you been to India before? What's the energy like?
Yeah, so this is the second time. First time was also FILBangalore last year, and I'm happy to join this year also. And thanks to Hello, I'm super happy to touch the India's energy and especially engineering energy, and the curiosity is much higher than the other area. So I'm super happy to talk in more detail about how secure finance works and how we can collaborate with Indian community.
That's awesome. That's awesome. Thank you so much, Masa.
Very much.
See you around.
Thank you.